Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we are on week 39. And our prompts for this week is a fragrant plant. I'm using this rose. Something local. I live in Starkville, Mississippi, and that's home of the Mississippi State Bulldogs. And this is the Bully Walk, and this is my son here. He graduated from Mississippi State. An animal with long ears. I've got this little bunny rabbit. Something found in the mountains. I've got this tree, and the next one is something that makes you happy. Is this. This is my family. That's me. That's my son Caleb, my son Dylan, and my husband Jimmy. And the next one was something found in the mountains, and it's a tree. But this one, it looks blurry. My son took it. We were at the Ripley's Museum in Gatlinburg, which is in the mountains. And I love that picture because it's so typical of us. We're just all in our own little thing, and he got the perfect shot. Didn't even realize he was taking our picture. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So I forgot to get my washi tape. I've got it right here. Pick out one because I don't really have enough room to put everything. So I'm going to make this a flip out. So I'm just going to add some washi tape. That'll work. It's nice and wide. And I've already inked my stuff. My last video I know was extremely long because I was doing something new. And I realized when I made it that I did not fill the pockets that was in the top. This is my little mini flip-flop journal that I'm doing for Dear Julie Julie's September's Stash Buster. So, you open it up and it's got pockets in the top, and I forgot about those, so I still have to go back and fill those. But I hope you'll watch that video. It's the first time I've made something like that, so it took me a little figuring to do, so it's a little bit long. I did probably too much talking, but I hope you'll watch it anyway. You can watch it on fast speed. So now I'm just going to add that and that, and I just got to flip out. I think that'll work good. And my bonus was a form. So this one's pulling double duty. It's a guest check, and it's got the something with long ears. So I've got that, and I think I'm gonna got that rose, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and add these roses. I love that washi, and I just figure out where I'm gonna put everything. Let's see. Let's do that. Not that I want to cover him up, but we get to see all of us in this one. Proud of my sons and my husband. And let's see, I'm thinking something like that maybe. I'm sure I haven't left out anything. A fragrant plant, something local, animal with long ears, something that makes you happy, something found in the mountains, and a form. So I've got everything. So everything else is gravy. So let me go ahead and put down these items. Let me see if I want to swap this out just in case. Can't cover up Bully. Maybe I could. does. Okay, well, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing fine, especially considering I hadn't had no coffee today, because when my husband makes the coffee, he does such a good job. Mine doesn't compare to his. He gets it just right. So he makes the coffee, and our coffee maker doesn't work. So there will be a Walmart run today, because we can't go 2 days. I've been warned the boys. I told them to tread carefully around their daddy and me, because we haven't had our coffee. I can get mean without my coffee. All right. Something hard. Oh, I guess it's just glue. Okay, and we will add that. And we'll see there's something local, so that'll work good too. And then we'll open this and we'll see my handsome son. Fix this so that it will fold out properly. Oops. There we go. I know I need to glue it, but it won't get that much use in my journal. Not like it's going out to anyone. Since it's just mine, I'm not too terribly worried about it. Okay. I should have picked a shorter tree. That's fine. We know it's there, and we can see most of it. I have starting to stress out for that journal challenge, because I'm so far behind. So I really need to get busy. So I'm thinking I've already been up. I've already filmed a video that just went out today for my cooking video, and which would be yesterday by the time you watch this one. So I want to go ahead and get this one done, of course, because it goes up tomorrow, and I'll get my I'm sorry, my mind went blank. I'm going to try to get up my crossword one, and I noticed where Shinoki Art has her next card. So, right, I want something to go in that spot. So, I've got this sitting right beside me, so let's see if I can find something that will go. I'm thinking maybe something like this, because it'll bring the red from here. Now, the tree also came from this botanist sticker book, but I put it on paper and trimmed around it and then inked it. I don't like how big the white is, but I may just go ahead and it didn't stick well anyway, but I'm going to go ahead and just ink and not worry about the paper. My husband and I are watching another show. I don't know how old it is, but so far it's very interesting, and it's called Haven. It's on Tubi. And my husband said it's kind of cheesy, almost like a Hallmark, which I don't mind. But he likes it too, but it's kind of a supernatural, and you don't know what's going on. And at least the language is decent. So I'm enjoying it. I noticed watching Once Upon a Time also. It's on Hulu. And I have some of the first few DVDs, but then I couldn't get any more. So I like catching up on that. My husband started watching it. I thought he'd like it, and he may like it, but I don't know. Right now he hasn't, I don't think he's quite gotten into it. He doesn't say anything, but I just got that feeling. And I think I'm just gonna finish this off. I should have put my rose over here. So let me see if I can. I know there's some more roses in here. See if I can. I want it to be pretty. I know they had some pretty. That looks like a wild rose. Mama had some. I think they were called wild roses. They smell good, and hers were white. So I don't know if it's the same thing or not, but they look just like this, but they were white. But we'll just pretend that this is that, and we'll just add it on in. Okay. So now I'm just going to do some splatters. And we'll be done. This one went fast. I know y'all say thankfully if you've watched my last video. I'm sure the last one was over an hour. And I understand. I mean, not that I mind making them. It took forever for me to get it uploaded. But I know I have lots of people I like to watch on YouTube. And it's hard when, you know, if everybody has an hour video, it's hard to watch them all. So I try not to go too terribly long, but like I said, it was something new and I was trying to figure it out. So that's just, I try not to make a habit of it. Okay, and I will do some black splatters. I know, I believe I saw where Margarete Miller plans on doing this again next year, so I'm glad. I really enjoy this challenge. Alright, so we have got a fragrant plant. We've got our roses, something local, bully, animal with long ears. We have got the bunny rabbit, something that makes you happy. That's my family. Something found in the mountains. We've got trees, and we've also got Ripley's aquarium. And bonus is a form, and that's my guest check. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful week. Love you. Take care. And until next, oh, and be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP39 to see what everyone else has made. I enjoy that, watching all of those as well. So until next time, bye y'all.